Hi there guys, I'm Nikhil from GreedyTech, and in this video, I'll be unboxing and reviewing the Boatwave Ultima Max smartwatch. So here's the box. In India, this product will be launched at a price of 2,999, and as a starting launch price, it will be available at a discounted price of 2,499. Now this watch will be available in three colors: active black, olive green and beige. We have the black color with us right now. You can buy it directly on the Boat website or Amazon. You get 1 year of warranty and 7 days of replacement. I'll talk more about highlighting features in a bit, but first, here's the box contents. First we have the watch itself, followed by the charging dock, and next we have the documentation and sticker. Now here's the watch, let me turn it on. Now let's have a physical overview. Now this is how the watch looks on the front, and this is how the watch looks on the back. Now on the front, the 1.9-inch display is protected by 2.5D curved glass, and the entire watch frame is made of plastic. Now to the sides, the plastic is coated with the black paint and has a matte finish to it. On the right side, we just got a single power button that can be used to turn on and turn off the display. You can also long press it to get to the power off options. On the left side, it's completely plain, and on the back side, we got all the sensors. Now at the top and bottom, we got the two straps, which are easily replaceable. They are made of plastic, but the quality feels pretty good. Now overall, I'd say design and build of the watch is pretty good. It has a bit of weight to it and looks quite premium. Now as for the pairing process, it's pretty simple. You just need to open the scanning application on your phone and pull down the notification center on the watch and tap on the QR code. Just scan it on your phone and it will take you to the Boat's wearable app on the Play Store. Download and install that application, and once you open the app, just give it the permissions required, then select the watch model, Ultima Max. Now it'll search for the watch, it'll show up the name, just tap to pair, and that's it. Now set the details on the app and you can start using the watch. Now let me give you a quick look at the user interface of the watch. Now once you turn it on, you're on the home screen or the home watch face. Now you can do a swipe down gesture from the top to access the toggles. Over here we have some basic information like Bluetooth connectivity, date and time, battery status, quick shortcuts, settings, do not disturb mode, and even power options. So you have everything that you need at your fingertips. Now if you do a swipe up gesture from the bottom, you can access the notification area. Now every time you get an SMS or WhatsApp messages, you can check out all those messages and notifications in this section. Now from the home screen, if you do a swipe left, you can access all the applications that are available on your watch. So first we have the steps, followed by sleep, heart rate, workouts, SpO2, weather, SMS, camera. You can actually take pictures from your phone with the help of your watch. Next we have music controls, breathing exercise, stopwatch, alarm, timer, flashlight, find my phone, and finally settings. Once again on the home screen, if you swipe from the right side, you can access the health and other widgets. First of all, we have the step tracking information, calories burnt, and so on. Next, we have the sleep tracking information, followed by heart rate monitoring, SpO2, weather information, and that's it. Now, if you want to change the watch face of your watch, you can just do a long press, and you have access to some pre-installed watch faces. You can select any one of them. Now, there are only 6 pre-installed watch faces on your watch, but if you want more, you can directly download them from the app. You have like more than 150 watch faces. You can select the one that you like. Now finally, here's the settings page. Over here we have access to brightness information. You can turn on and turn off the vibration. You can also change settings related to do not disturb mode. We have theater mode. And finally, you can also reset the watch and power it off. So that's pretty much about the user interface. It looks pretty clean. All the icons and the text looks pretty clear and pretty visible. They don't look cartoonish. They have a good premium look to it. Now here's the app interface. First we have the health tracking data at a glance. In the next section we have the analysis of the health data, which is pretty important. Next we have my activity section, which right now is completely empty. Following that is the device and watch section. Now from here you can completely control your watch directly from this app interface. You can enable and disable features. You can schedule stuff and turn on alarm feature and do all the stuff you want directly from this page. Now finally, in the account section, you can connect this application with Google Fit app to share your health related information with Google Fit, which is a pretty good option. Now let's look at the main highlights for this watch. This watch comes with a pretty big 1.9-inch display with a peak brightness of 550 nits, and just from initial impressions I can say that the display is pretty good. Like, it's huge and the brightness levels are much better than other watches in this price segment. Now, just like any other smartwatch out there, we got all the fitness tracking stuff, we got the heart rating, step counting, SpO2 measurement, all those features are available. We have more than 100 watch faces that you can directly access from the Boats app. We also got more than 25 plus sports modes, which is pretty impressive. Now finally, it also comes with IP68 dust and water resistance, so you can actually wear this watch anywhere, anytime, whether it's workouts, whether it's raining. You can always keep it on you and you don't have to worry about damaging it. Now finally, when it comes to battery life, this watch comes with a 300 mAh battery. According to Boat, it can last up to 15 days, but on normal usage, you can easily get up to 7 to 10 days of battery life without any issues. So the battery life is also pretty impressive. By the way, here's a quick look at the charging dock. You just need to bring it near the watch. It auto aligns and starts charging the watch. So there's no problem with it, and the charging speed is also pretty good. So guys, with this smartwatch, you're getting a bigger and brighter display with premium looks and better battery life. Besides that, it also has all the fitness tracking features and functions along with a pretty good looking UI. By the way, user interface is also pretty good. It's pretty smooth. I didn't notice any hiccups whatsoever. So if these are all the stuff that you're looking in a smartwatch, you can definitely consider the product. So guys, what do you think about this watch? Do let me know by commenting below this video, and if you're planning to buy this watch, use the link in the description. It always helps the channel. With that said, this is Nikhil signing off. See you in my next video.